Testing teams spend countless hours designing and maintaining API and UI functional tests. But when it's time to validate performance, security, or accessibility, many teams start over, building entirely new tests for each discipline. This means duplicated work and increased maintenance overhead. With Parasoft SOAtest, the tests you already build can power multiple types of quality validation across the pipeline. Start with the API functional tests your team creates to validate service behavior. Those same tests can be reused to drive API performance testing, generating realistic traffic and helping teams uncover scalability issues early. They can also power API security testing, automatically probing services for common vulnerabilities like injection attacks, authentication weaknesses, and misconfigurations. And when testing web applications, SOAtest Web UI tests can validate web accessibility, helping ensure applications meet compliance standards and deliver inclusive user experiences. Instead of building separate test suites for every quality concern, teams extend the value of the tests they already maintain. The result is broader coverage, faster feedback, and far less duplicated effort across testing initiatives. One platform, one testing strategy, multiple dimensions of quality. With SOAtest, your tests don't just validate functionality, they power complete quality assurance.